In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide your Squarespace site from search results. This is a useful setting to know about if you are still building your website, updating important pages, or simply do not want your site to be visible publicly through search engines right now. Squarespace gives you a straightforward way to control your site availability, and in just a few moments you can choose whether your site should be private or protected with a password. To begin, log into your Squarespace dashboard. Open Squarespace in your browser and sign into your account using your own login details. Once you are signed in, you should land on your main account area where you can see the websites connected to your account. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct website before continuing. This matters because the availability settings apply to the specific site you are editing, so you want to be certain you are working on the right one. After you open the correct site, take a moment to look over the main dashboard. This is the central area where you manage your website pages, design, settings, commerce tools, and other site options. For this tutorial, you will not need to edit any pages or change the design. You only need to access the site settings where Squarespace keeps the controls related to visibility and access. Next, navigate to Settings and then go to Site Availability. The Settings area is where you manage the broader configuration of your Squarespace site. Depending on your dashboard layout, you may see settings in the main navigation menu. Select it, and then look for the option called Site Availability. This section is specifically used to control whether your site is public, private, or password protected. Once you are in Site Availability, you should see options for how your website can be accessed. To hide your Squarespace site from search results and prevent it from being generally available to the public, choose either Private or Password Protected. Selecting Private is useful when you do not want visitors to access the site at all. This is often a good option while a site is under construction, being reviewed internally, or not ready to launch. If you choose Password Protected instead, your site will not be freely accessible to the public. Visitors will need a password before they can view it. This option can be helpful if you want to share the site with a limited group of people, such as team members, collaborators, or clients, while still keeping it hidden from general public access. Be sure to use your own secure password if Squarespace asks you to enter one, and avoid sharing it anywhere public. Take a moment here to decide which option best matches your situation. Private is more restrictive, while Password Protected gives you a controlled way to let certain people see the site. Both options are intended to reduce public access and help keep the site from appearing as a normal public website in search results. After you have selected Private or Password Protected, click Save. This is an important final step because your changes will not take effect unless they are saved. Once you click Save, Squarespace will apply your chosen availability setting to the site. From that point forward, your website access will follow the option you selected. And that is all there is to it. You have logged into your Squarespace dashboard, opened Settings, gone to Site Availability, selected either Private or Password Protected, and saved your changes. That covers everything you need to know.